back to our channel. Today we have a special guest. Who is it?
Dun, dun, dun. And we got something to share for you. Dun, dun, dun. My favorite toy, Piggy. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Piggy and I'm going to tell you what we're going to make.
Today we are going to be making a mac and cheese mug pasta. So these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need some macaroni, which are small because they can cook quicker, some cheddar cheese, some milk, half a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. So do you want to pour the macaroni in? Okay. Now you're going to pour the water in. So we need the water for the cooking purpose in the microwave for a few minutes. So pour it in. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for a few minutes. So let's go. So we have microwaved our pasta for 2 minutes in the microwave. So you're going to drain the excess water. Now, look how soft and tender it looks. Look, Piggy.
Look, Piggy. Look how it's so soft. Wow.
So when you have drained your extra water, you're going to add some
milk.
So let's pour it in.
Piggy, we're going to add some milk now.
Okay. Now we're going to add some half a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. So you're going to add a pinch of salt. Now you're going to mix it up nice and well, top to bottom. And also, before putting it in the microwave, adding your cheddar, you can put pepper in for your choice, but we are not going to be adding it in. Now we're going to add some cheddar cheese. Next, we're going to bake it. So, let's bake it.
Let's bake it. Piggy, let's bake it. Can we start it?
Yeah. Look, our pasta's ready.
Look, Piggy, is pasta ready?
So, let's try it. It looks really delicious. 3, 2, 1, there.
What is it?
It's really good.
But
It's really cheesy.
I'm not going to eat it because it's hot.
Okay.
It's not hot anymore.
Yeah, let's try it. Try it.
I'm going to touch it. Oh. It's really good.
It's really delicious. It is so good. I think you should all try this at home. It's really good. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!